Dear students, this is Nisha Dheer. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will revise the syllabus of first terminal examination. So let's start. This is your second preparatory assignment of first terminal examination, that is from chapter number 2, All in the Family. In this chapter we will study about the family, the type of families. There are three types of families: small family, joint family and extended family. What is the small family? In a small family, parents and children live together. In a joint family, parents, children and grandparents live together. And in extended family, there are some members of our family who do not stay in the same house, but they are the part of our extended family. In this chapter, we also studied about the festivals. In India, we celebrate two types of festivals: religious festivals and harvest festivals. What are the religious festivals? People from different religions come together to celebrate every festival. So, what are the religious festivals? Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab, Christmas. These are the religious festivals. And what are the harvest festivals? Baisakhi, Lodi, Bihu, Pongal and Onam are the harvest festivals. We also studied about the important days. Some days have a special importance for our country. They are celebrated as national days. Independence Day. When we celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Republic Day. When we celebrate Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So let's start back exercise. And the first question is, take the correct answer. And the first question is, a nuclear family is, and we have four options: small, large, joint, extended. Which is the correct answer? Yes, small. A nuclear family is small. Next is, Republic Day is celebrated on, and the options are 15th August, 26th January, 15th December, 2nd October. Which is the correct answer? Yes, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Next is, which festival is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramzan? And the options are Gurpurab, Pongal, Eid, Bihu. Which is the correct answer? Yes, Eid. Eid is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramzan. Next is, the parents of our parents are our, and the option is uncles, siblings, aunts and grandparents. Which is the correct answer? The parents of our parents are our, yes, grandparents. Okay, and the next topic is true and false. And the first one is, a nuclear family has more members than a large family. It's true or false? Yes, false. A nuclear family has more members than a large family. It's false. Second is, the members of a joint family do not stay in the same house. It's true or false? Tell me. Yes, false, because the members of a joint family stay in the same house, so it's false. Next is, Lodi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Yes, it's true or false? Yes, true. Lodi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Next is, pets are a part of the family. Yes, it's true or false? Yes, true. Pets are a part of the family. So, it's true. Langar is a special meal cooked during Gurpurab. Yes, it's true or false? Yes, true. Langar is a special meal cooked during Gurpurab. And the next one is fill in the blanks. And the first one is dash is the harvest festival of Punjab. Yes, which is the harvest festival of Punjab? Yes, Lodi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Next is members of a dash love each other. Yes, tell me the answer. Yes, family. Members of a family, 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 love each other. And the third one is the parents of our parents are our dash. Yes, tell me. The parents of our parents are our, yes, grandparents. G-R-A-N-D, grand, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. The parents of our parents are our grandparents. Next is dash is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, which festival we celebrate on 25th December? Yes, Christmas. We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Next is dash is celebrated by Muslims. And the answer is Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Next is dash is a special meal cooked during Gurpurab. And the answer is langar. L-A-N-G-A-R. Langar is a special meal cooked during Gurpurab. Next is matching. Here we have some festivals. And here we have some dates when we celebrate these festivals. Okay, first one is Gurpurab. Yes, when we celebrate Gurpurab on birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. So match it with Sikh Gurus. Christmas, when we celebrate Christmas. Yes, we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. So match it with 25th December. A nuclear family is, yes, small. A nuclear family is small. Match it with small. Independence Day. When we celebrate Independence Day on 25th December? No. 26th January? No. When we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, on 15th August. So match it with 15th August. Okay. When we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, tell me. Yes, on 26th January. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So match it with 2nd October. Next is very short question answer. And the first question is, which festival is called the Festival of Lights? Yes, tell me, which festival is called the Festival of Lights? Yes, Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. And the second question is, when we celebrate Independence Day? And the answer is on 15th August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. And third question is, when we celebrate Republic Day? And the answer is on 26th January. And the next one is short question answer. What is a small family? And the answer is, in a small family, parents and children live together. Okay, and the second question is, what are the harvest festivals? What are the harvest festivals? Yes, and the answer is Lori, Bihu are the harvest festivals. What are the harvest festivals? Lori and Bihu are the harvest festivals. And the third question is, what are the religious festivals? And the answer is Diwali, Gurpurab, Christmas and Eid are the religious festivals. I think all the concepts are clear. Thank you. Have a nice day and all the best for your examinations.